So yeah, I did get my box of Wet and Wild. It went on sale, like I told you, on Sunday, and Ulta usually puts it up between midnight and 12:30 in the morning. It is, I think it's $75, and then if the tax comes up to 80. Um, I had pre-ordered mine from Amazon, but I kept asking. We kept asking Wet and Wild. We kept asking Wet and Wild, like they gave the release dates for everywhere except for Amazon, and I'm like, I'm just gonna go ahead and just get it from Ulta, and then I will cancel my Amazon order. So I ordered it, and I don't know what made me look. Something was telling me to look up the details on Wet and Wild's page. I don't know what made me do that because everyone was showing that the box set contained the bag and the brushes. Um, but I remember last time with the Care Bears, Amazon updated the page to tell you exactly what was in the collection. And only their gurus or whatever representatives got their PR, the big PR box that came with everything. We had to buy the other half of the stuff at Walmart or wherever you could find it. So after I ordered it, I go to bed. It's 12:30 in the morning, and I into their page, and I noticed that the picture was different now. I was like, what? So I read the bag and the brushes were missing. So I read all of the details of what was in the box, and the bag and the brushes weren't there. So I went to check my Amazon page, and they changed their picture as well. And so the same thing, the bag and the brushes weren't there. So Ulta still had the bag and brushes in the picture, but I didn't trust that. So I went ahead and I put an order. It made me angry because this came up to 80 plus tax. But if I would have added the bag and the brushes, it would have been 100, and I could have did the 6 months to pay. Now I'm sitting here trying to figure out how to get up to $35 so I could get the free shipping, and so I probably was up to like 130 trying to get. I'm not gonna just haphazardly buy stuff. So I had to like really look through, what's here, what do I want, blah blah blah, and what can I get, and I finally got it up to 35 so I could get the free shipping. I was really upset about that, and I think I don't know if the box came on, probably came on Tuesday, because I was doing my pills, and I'm waiting and waiting to get my code to go get it out of the lockers. That's another thing they did here. They put lockers in so that you have to pay them $3 a day. I'm telling you, this place has me sick already. So I haven't gotten a code. They also use a local shipping service, and I'm saying, I wonder if he left it in front of the door. And I noticed my dogs were at the door. I thought my husband was coming home. But usually if there's a stranger, they'll start barking. And they didn't. They just like stood at the door wagging their tail. I said, but my husband never came in. I was like, okay, what's going on? I thought he was coming in. My husband came 2 hours after that. They just left it in front of the door. They don't even knock. They do that with food too. They'll just leave food in front of your door so that bugs can get in it. And they don't even knock and tell you the food's there. Freaking ridiculous, man. So my husband brings it in, and I was so tired. I don't even know if I opened it. That I might have. Later on, my husband was home. My family was home. That's why the video was silent. And sure enough, and there was room for the bag and the brushes in here. So that kind of upset me. So I haven't even opened like anything. But Friday I got my bag and brushes. So Wet and Wild should explain things better. We kept asking, when is it coming on Amazon? Oh, and then so all day I'm like, should I or shouldn't I? I was like, should I or shouldn't I? I'm like, it's $80. I'm not, with the tax. I'm like, nah, forget it. It's not worth it. And I canceled my Amazon order, and as soon as I canceled my Amazon order, when I checked to see if it was available or not, they were for $55 again. I mean, it was like a minute after I canceled it. I would have just returned the Ulta one and gotten that one for $55. It was too late already. They sold out really fast. But anyway, I just, when in a while, is I have a love-hate relationship with them. But here are the brushes. And I love the packaging. That's the thing I like. It's like I don't want to throw it out because it's so cute. And I cannot open this. Is it sealed? Yes, it's sealed. Let me show you the back part. So it looks like they have a highlighter brush, a blush or powder brush, and then this looks kind of angled. And it's angled. I guess you could use it for a contour. But, you know, and it's got the little glitter in it. I was never really a fan of Lilo and Stitch. I don't know, just never really thought it was great. The only thing I liked about it was that it was set in Hawaii. And sometimes I say Hawaii because they pronounce it Hawaii. They have, I think they have less than 20 letters in their alphabet, and, you know, so they pronounce it differently. All right, let's see if I can open this one. Okay. All right, so this is cute too. It looks like a little suitcase. I wonder if everything's gonna fit in it. That's cute. You have one side is the sun setting. They have beautiful sunsets. And then Stitch is, you know, getting ready for vacation. But yeah, it looks like a little suitcase. I thought that was cute. I believe they could have fit that in here. And then you got the 3 glosses. This one is like a shimmery. They say it's clear. It goes on shimmery. And it's got like some pink iridescence in there. And then you've got like a pinky color in here with a little tiny bit of shimmer. And then you've got the red with the tiniest bit of shimmer. And from what I understand, this one does go on clear, and these go on, you know, pigmented. Anyway, you have the eyeshadow palette, and like it's got some neutrals, it's got some reds, warm tones, it's got some browns, some golds, blues, and aquas, and I think that's like really pretty, like for the summer. I love teals with warmer orangey brown colors. So that's going to be fun to play with. And then this is going to be interesting. It's 2 bronzers and 2 highlighters. Like I said, I haven't even opened them, and I'll do swatches this week. So it's got like a lighter bronzer, a darker bronzer, and then it's got like a lighter highlighter and a darker highlighter. And it's really, I don't even call them bronzers. I use that for contour. They don't have any shimmer in them. I think if it was a bronzer, it'd have more shimmer. So that looks like it's going to be fun to play with. This is one of the things that sold out first. So you've got a body shimmer bronzer. Wow. Yeah, the lady said that hers had leaked. This is all oily. Look, even the things coming off, the little sticker from all the oil. Wow. Anyway, it's a body shimmer bronze, it's called Soaking Up the Rays. They made this before. It didn't do too well, but you know what I used it for? I mixed it in, I put it in a jar with sunscreen, and I mix it in really good, and then I put it on. That's pretty cool. It's just, it's all over. Definitely going to keep that up, right? Yeah, this has a little bit of a leak too. This is the spray, the facial spray. And then you have Catching the Waves, which, you're freaking kidding me. Oh, no. Oh, yeah, I have to call them up. It didn't come with the surfboard. The surfboard cleans it. Alright, I'm going to have to let them know. Yeah, because I want that. The surfboard is for cleaning sponges. I need to call them up today about that. Okay, this one came. I was going to say that this come with the scooper. So this is the scrub. They say you could use it on your body, and I think the purpose of this wasn't for cleaning your face. It was for your body. And then you put the spray on, so it'll look nice and even. Actually, you know what? I don't think the brushes would have fit here, but the bag would have. Then you have waterproof mascara, and then waterproof eyeliner, black and blue. Yeah, the bag definitely would have fit the brushes. Wouldn't have, unless they made the box a little bit bigger. I do appreciate the smaller boxes. I just have them on my side. The big boxes, I just really couldn't fit anywhere. There's underneath my table. So anyway, this is my, I got the collection. I have to call these people up right away before they sell out, because it might sell out fast. So yeah, that's that for that.